3.487. 5. Machine gun training is an essential part of routine training in the United States Army. This training is designed to train soldiers in the use of heavy automatic weapons, such as the M240 and M249, as well as heavy machine guns, such as the M2 Browning 50 caliber. This activity aims to improve the ability to shoot accurately, control rapid fire, and understand combat maneuvers involving machine guns. Main objectives of machine gun training, weapon mastery. One of the main objectives of machine gun training is to ensure that soldiers can master the operation of the weapon properly. Machine guns are complex automatic weapons with high fire capacity, which require training to deal with excessive heat, recoil, and ammunition loading mechanisms. Soldiers must be accustomed to operating this weapon in a variety of terrain conditions, both stationary and on the move. Although machine guns are designed to provide continuous fire, soldiers are trained to maintain accuracy by firing in short bursts to maximize ammunition efficiency and accuracy on target. This exercise also involves mastering the elements of windage and elevation to predict the trajectory of the bullet. Teamwork and communication. Machine gun training is not just about shooting, but also about coordination and teamwork. Machine gun operations often require support from other team members, including the gunner and loader. In combat, machine guns are often used to support infantry by providing suppressive fire that allows tactical movement of other units. Communication between the gunner, loader, and commander is critical to success in combat. Tactical maneuvers. This exercise also involves simulating tactical maneuvers on the battlefield. Soldiers are trained to fire in both static defensive and dynamic offensive conditions. They are taught how to change positions quickly, maintain fire to suppress the enemy, and move to safer or more strategic positions. This includes shifting machine gun positions, estimating firing lines, and reloading in a short time under pressure. Stress management and decision-making speed. This training also involves handling high-stress situations, where soldiers must remain calm and make quick decisions in combat situations. This includes when to shoot, when to move, and how to effectively utilize ammunition without running out in critical situations. Types of machine guns used. M240. The M240 is a medium machine gun used by the U.S. Army to support infantry and armored vehicles. With a caliber of 7.62 millimeters, this weapon is known for its reliability and durability in a variety of conditions. The M240 is used to provide medium to long-range suppressive fire. M249 saw a squad automatic weapon. The M249 is a light machine gun used by infantry units to provide sustained fire in small units. It is a lightweight automatic rifle, but capable of delivering significant firepower at medium range. M2 Browning. Caliber. The M2 is a heavy machine gun used for long-range fire and penetration of vehicles or buildings. It is often mounted on vehicles or used as a light anti-aircraft weapon. Range training. Machine gun training is conducted on special ranges designed to handle heavy firepower. These ranges are equipped with a variety of targets, including moving and stationary targets. Depending on the training scenario, the targets may resemble enemy infantry, vehicles, or buildings. Soldiers are trained to destroy these targets with precision and heavy fire. Combat simulation machine gun training in the U.S. Army also often involves simulated scenarios that mimic actual combat conditions. These include terrain obstructions, adverse weather, and time pressure. In some training exercises, soldiers are also trained to operate the machine gun while mounted on a vehicle or during offensive operations in rough terrain. The U.S. Army machine gun training is a key component in preparing soldiers for actual combat situations. With intensive training focusing on accuracy, team tactics, and weapons proficiency, soldiers are prepared to effectively use machine guns on the battlefield, providing vital support to infantry units and dominating the enemy with superior firepower. This training ensures that every soldier has the skills needed to operate heavy automatic weapons with maximum efficiency, safety, and effectiveness. What is a machine gun range? A machine gun range is a controlled area designed for the safe operation, training, and testing of machine guns. These ranges are often used by the military, law enforcement, or private gun clubs to practice marksmanship, weapon handling, and to conduct live fire exercises. Here are the main features of a typical machine gun range: safety zone. This range has a designated area that ensures the safety of the operator, spectators, and other personnel. This zone includes a barrier or berm to safely catch bullets and prevent them from traveling outside the range. Target area: targets can be paper, steel, or electronic targets to represent enemy forces or simulate combat scenarios. The distance varies based on the type of machine gun being fired and the training requirements. Firing positions: the range can have multiple firing points or stations where the shooter can engage targets from prone, standing, or mounted positions, especially when training for different operational environments. Use of heavy firearms: machine guns, both light and heavy, are used here. Weapons such as the M240, M249, or even larger caliber heavy machine guns such as the M2. .50 caliber Browning may be fired, which require strict safety protocols due to the power and range of the weapon. Noise and environmental control: these ranges often have systems in place to manage noise and prevent environmental damage. Some ranges have sound dampening walls or enclosures to reduce the noise pollution produced by repeated machine gun fire. Live fire training: this involves simulated combat where the shooter moves position, engages multiple targets, and practices various tactical maneuvers while using a machine gun. Machine gun ranges are essential for honing skills in accuracy, recoil control, and understanding the characteristics of firearms.